Lucas, is it raining? Is it raining? Oh, it's fall. That's a cool rain outfit you got. Don't eat the ball. Oh. Sport, you can go outside too if you want. Yeah. You getting wet? Is your hand wet? Raining. What's a big leaf? Thank you. Whoops, I'll get it. Thank you. Thank you. What do you see, the umbrella? Yeah, Daddy has to get that umbrella. Where's your face? There it is.